Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and I did head out to Walgreens today. I went to a different store and I picked up all of the items for my video that I made last night saying, hey, get some free skincare over Walgreens with this booster, and it worked. It worked perfectly where I got all this stuff completely for free, or just like a couple pennies out of pocket. So just to jog you through this again, you're going to need this 10 off of 30 booster that you had to load the week previous to your Walgreens account. Now this 10 off of 30, you can use it in store, and that's what I did for the purpose of this video today. If you want to do a curbside pickup, by all means go for it, but please make sure that the staff or whoever brings your stuff out gives you a physical receipt so you can scan this to IBOTTA. That's the one little thing. So looking at what I grabbed in the skincare aisle, this is the new BURTS line. It's called Truly Glowing, this gel cleaner for $9.99. We have a $3 digital. If you search BURTS in the app, these coupons should pop up for you. The second item that you're getting is this Truly Glowing Glow Boost for $17.99. Lots of products look similar. This is the one that you want. And also there's a $7 digital. Please load it for this deal. Burt's Bees is on a buy two, get one for free. Let's not forget that. To get our basket right to 30, I grabbed one of these Godiva signature. It's a little thing of candy. I said $2.99 in my preview video. At this store, it was $3.29. A little bit more expensive, but I was okay with that. Okay guys, let's look at my receipt. As you can see, that glow thing that I got is $17.99. $9.99 for the first cleanser. The second one is free because it's a monthly promotion of buy two, get one for free. And then that Godiva candy was $3.29. Now, as you can see, the top one, which is the 10 off of 30, boom, that came off, along with the 7 off and the 3 off. So the new total for me is $11.27. I used $10 of Walgreens cash to pay that down, so I had to pay the balance of that, which was a little bit out of pocket, like $2.41, not the worst thing. Okay, so going over to my IBOTTA, as you can see, I got $4 back for the glowing. And then the glowing gel cleanser, $3 back times 2, which is 6. Then I also got a $1 bonus for buying 2 of these unique products, and then some Godiva chocolate. Boom, there it is. So $12 back from IBOTTA. If you've never heard of the IBOTTA app, please check out the link in the notes and sign up with my team. And you'll get, I think, an extra $20 bonus when you submit your first qualifying receipt for IBOTTA. IBOTTA often has little deals like this one where it's just absolutely fantastic, where you can get items completely for free when you can just line it up perfectly over at Walgreens. So if you've been kind of on the fence about IBOTTA, please check out the link in the notes. I'll leave it right at the top. But like, how fantastic is this? I would definitely do this deal if you can try and swing it by the 3rd. The booster expires on the 3rd, so I would do it by the 3rd. But at the very least, load the 2 Burt's Bees coupons so you can use them, you know, in a future deal, because how great is this? And to get like this quality of skincare that inexpensive, I mean, that's just absolutely what it's all about. One last thing, a lot of these items look quite identical in the store, so definitely open up your IBOTTA app and then scan to make sure you're grabbing the right items for both the glowing moisturizer and the glowing gel cleanser, just to make sure there's no funny business. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.